Weddings, time for love, laughter, and stunning photos. We all want to look our absolute best for these special occasions. That's where makeup comes in. It's like magic for your face, helping you feel confident and radiant. Whether you're a makeup pro or a total beginner, this tutorial will guide you to a glamorous wedding guest look that lasts all day and night. Think of your makeup as an accessory, just like your hat or shoes. It complements your outfit and adds that extra sparkle. The key is to choose a look that makes you feel fantastic and comfortable. Remember, this is a celebration, so let your joy shine through. But how do you ensure your makeup stays put from the ceremony to the dance floor? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll unlock the secrets to long-lasting makeup that can withstand hugs, happy tears, and hours of dancing. Get ready to embrace your inner makeup artist and create a stunning look that will leave a lasting impression. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. Before we begin our makeup journey, let's gather our trusty tools. Having the right products is essential for a flawless and long-lasting finish. Don't worry, you don't need a professional makeup kit. Just a few basics will do. First, we need a good primer. Think of it as a foundation for your foundation. It creates a smooth canvas, helps your makeup go on smoothly, and prevents it from sliding around. Next up, foundation. Choose one that matches your skin tone and type. For oily skin, opt for a matte finish, while those with dry skin might prefer a dewy look. Concealer is our secret weapon to erase any blemishes or dark circles. Pick one that's a shade or two lighter than your foundation. Now let's set everything in place with setting powder. This step is crucial for long-lasting makeup, as it controls shine and prevents creasing. For a pop of color on the cheeks, blush is our go-to. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone, whether it's a rosy pink or a warm peach. Finally, no makeup look is complete without a touch of mascara to open up the eyes and a beautiful lipstick or gloss to complete your desired look. All right, let's get this makeup party started. We'll break it down into easy steps, so even if you're a beginner, you'll be a pro in no time. After cleansing and moisturizing your face, it's time for primer. Apply a small amount evenly all over your face, focusing on areas where your makeup tends to wear off first. Next, apply your foundation with a brush or sponge, starting from the center of your face and blending outwards. Blend it well into your hairline and neck for a seamless finish. Now it's time to conceal any imperfections. Dab a small amount of concealer under your eyes, around your nose, and on any blemishes. Blend gently for a natural look. Set everything in place with a light dusting of setting powder. Focus on your T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin, where you tend to get oily. Now, let's add some color. Smile and apply blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending upwards towards your temples. For a touch of glam, apply a neutral eyeshadow to your eyelids and define your lashes with mascara. Finally, choose a lipstick or gloss that complements your outfit and makes you feel fantastic. And voila, you're ready to dazzle at the wedding. Section 4. Skin Secrets. Tailoring the look for your unique complexion. Every skin is unique, so let's personalize your makeup to enhance your natural beauty. If you have oily skin, opt for oil-free and mattifying products. Use a setting spray to keep your makeup in place all day long. For dry skin, hydration is key. Choose a hydrating primer and foundation, and don't be afraid to add a touch of highlighter to the high points of your face for a dewy glow. If you have sensitive skin, look for fragrance-free and hypoallergenic products to avoid any irritation. For those with acne-prone skin, choose non-comedogenic products that won't clog your pores. Use a green-tinted concealer to neutralize redness. And remember, everyone's skin is different, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. Section 5. Mastering the claymation makeup look, a playful twist. Now let's add a touch of whimsy and fun to our wedding guest makeup with a playful claymation-inspired twist. Imagine those stop-motion characters with their exaggerated features and bold colors. We can incorporate elements of this style for a unique and eye-catching look. To achieve that claymation effect, start by emphasizing your features. Use a slightly darker shade of foundation or concealer to contour your cheekbones, jawline, and nose, creating a more sculpted look. Blend well for a seamless transition. Next, choose vibrant and pigmented eyeshadows to create dramatic eye looks. Think bold blues, emerald greens, or even sunny yellows. Don't be afraid to experiment with different textures, such as matte or shimmer finishes. To complete the claymation look, go for a matte lipstick in a bold shade. Think classic reds, deep plums, or even playful pinks. The key is to choose colors that pop and create a sense of whimsy. And there you have it, a fun and playful claymation-inspired makeup look that will make you stand out from the crowd. Section 6. Picture Perfect, ensuring your makeup lasts through the festivities. We've created a stunning makeup look, but how do we ensure it stays put through all the wedding festivities? Don't worry, we've got some tricks up our sleeves. Firstly, invest in a good setting spray. After you've finished applying your makeup, hold the bottle at arm's length and mist your face evenly. This will help to lock in your makeup and prevent it from budging. Secondly, blot. Don't wipe. If you do get shiny throughout the day or night, use blotting papers to absorb excess oil without disturbing your makeup. Keep a pack in your purse for touch-ups. Thirdly, pack a small makeup bag with essentials for touch-ups. Include your lipstick, concealer, and blotting papers. This way, you'll be prepared for anything. Finally, relax and enjoy yourself. Don't stress too much about your makeup. The most important thing is to have fun and celebrate the happy couple. Section 7. Ready to dazzle, embrace your inner makeup artist. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our wedding guest makeup tutorial. You're now armed with the knowledge and tools to create a stunning and long-lasting look that will make you feel confident and radiant. Remember, makeup is all about having fun and expressing your creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things until you find what works best for you. Embrace your inner makeup artist and let your personality shine through. So go ahead and rock that wedding guest look with confidence. You've got this.